You know, when MSI came to us with this monitor, when they told us that it cost 659 ringgit, the first thing in my head was, hey bro, korang spoil market ah. This is the MSI Pro MP161. In the market right now, it's RM 659. It's probably the cheapest portable IPS display from a big manufacturer, okay? Big name manufacturer. MSI, come on, let's run through the specs first. Display, 1080p IPS, 60 Hz. Okay, it comes with a little bit of anti-glare coating on it. It has anti-flicker and less blue light, but these features you can activate on the OSD itself. For the I/O ports, there are two USB-C, a mini HDMI, and the monitor comes with the two cables that's required for this, mini HDMI to HDMI and the USB-C to C. But besides that, what else? It comes with two 1.5 watt speakers at the side here. Okay. The buttons are here. There's one power button which also doubles as a menu button for the OSD, and an up, down or plus minus button for you to travel the OSD lah. But otherwise, what about the display quality? The display quality is rather standard. It's a 600:1 contrast ratio. The brightness is something that I will nitpick about, but it may be okay for some of you. The peak brightness is 215 nits. For me, 250 nits is sufficient for indoor usage. So digital nomads, travelers, people who like to use portable monitors, this will be great for indoors, but outdoor, maybe not so much, okay? Because under the bright sun, the 250 nits display may not be sufficient, okay? That aside, that is it for the display actually. It's a straightforward 60 Hz monitor for you. So let's talk about the form factor. It's really light, 0.75 kg, 750 grams. How heavy is 750 grams? 5 McChickens. Thickness, 1.08 cm. Okay, very thin. So I'm just going to plug this out and show you something else. It also comes with a stand. It does not have a 1/4 inch tripod screw hole, so it comes with a stand. Stand, at first I thought it's detachable and magnetic, but actually it's not. It's just rotatable. Okay, it stands like this. The good thing about this stand is, right at the edge here, it comes with a silicone coating for extra grip, including the bottom here. There's two rubber grips here at the bottom. But otherwise, if you don't need the stand, fold it away, and it comes with a pouch, a very simple looking pouch. But I guess it's sufficient if you want to put it into your work bag. Yeah, so that's it. Straightforward introduction of a monitor, a portable monitor that MSI has sent to us. And again, I just want to say it again, it's probably one of the cheapest IPS portable display in the market from a big brand. Alright, that's it. We're off to the B-rolls.